It's Typhlosion 911 and
this is special guest Stupid Geeks from Stupid Geeks fame. And we're gonna play with fire. Look, this is the disclaimer. YouTube, playing with fire is wrong, but look, we're both teenagers, and you should never try this at your house. Try it at a friend's house. But seriously, disclaimer: playing with fire can get you seriously burned or dead. So please don't play with it, please. I don't want to get sued. You know, your parents say, "No, my kid watched this video and he lit himself on fire." It's like, dude, your fault. You lit yourself on fire. I said in the video, disclaimer: do not play with matches, Zippos, or humidors, whatever you want to call lighter. Please.
just the main message: don't play with fire.
Yeah, alright, we got that covered now, so let's actually play with fire.
Alright, we got
Should we really do
pile of leaves. We're gonna move it out there.
In your garage?
We should move it somewhere. And then we got cold bottle of water.
Just be safe, you gotta be safe.
Yeah. Take all those leaves. Got the bottle of water.
What should we put, like in the backyard or something?
Not in the grass.
Green grass, behind the Jeep or something? No, that's like a bunch of dead stuff on that. That's late like a mother.
How about we do it in our old spot right there?
Sure.
Gonna keep it discreet.
We'll put leaves on there later. Box matches.
Matches? Oh yeah. We didn't buy this box of matches for this. We just found it, and I'm being serious about this. We just found it by someone's shed.
Look, we'll look, dude. YouTube, we'll give it back, okay?
After we've lit a few matches.
After we've lit up, it's 250 count. We can get back like 5 or 6. This stuff is fun.
Give me a match.
But seriously though, just listen. Do not play with fire. I'm friggin' serious, guys. You will get burned badly. I know how it is. Getting burned hurts. I'll put it on there. It's like burning Anakin Skywalker from episode 3. Cram it in there.
Let's see how much of a fire we get.
Okay, I don't think that worked.
We're getting a little bit of a fire, but not too big.
Holy buck crust on a cracker.
Don't burn yourself.
I probably shouldn't be doing this. My dad's a fireman, so I know what I'm doing. I think.
Don't let it die down.
Don't let it die, for the love of God!
Oh God.
No, it's getting out of control. Block it. Block it with the leaf. Block it with the leaf. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it's getting a little hot.
Hey, yeah, it's nice and warm, but isn't it like 80 degrees out?
Yeah.
Alright, test 1.
And now we gotta find a way to get rid of the evidence.
Yeah, we'll be back with, more later, okay? Stupid Geeks, remember, don't play with fire. Peace out.
Typhlosion 911.
Don't play with fire.
Yep. See you in, I guess, a part 2?
Yeah.
Alright, see you.